Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like and subscribe. So today we're gonna play Roblox. So as I said before, if we get 1,000,000 subscribers, I'm gonna be face revealing. I didn't check my YouTube if anyone commented. Wait, let's just check my YouTube. Wait. Bro, you my view channel. Wait, let's see if this has... Oh, wait. You're not allowed to comment pala. Oh, yeah, you're not allowed to comment. Oh, thank you for the subscribers. Thank you for the subscriber. I'm gonna give... Wait, who's the subscriber ba? We're not allowed to see the subscriber ata. Okay, so let's continue. Need more chaos. Jump. I don't know what to play. Guys, should we play a horror game or a kill NPC? Was this MM2 kill NPC? Or let's try Animal Sim. Okay, so what's the update? Oh, there's a squirrel. Squirrel. Where's that squirrel? Where's the squirrel? I think they did some updates. Oh my gosh. I think... Oh, Easter. The squirrel is from Easter. Back. Let's go as a man. I don't know. Let's go by giraffe. Ayun. Still Valentine's Day. Haven't updated the map. Wait. Let's try the eagle. Wow, so smooth. Let's go up to the Sahara Desert. This is my territory. What was that? That's a worm. Oh, let's go to the Arctic. You know what the Arctic is? An Arctic next to a desert. Yeah. Hey, I touched that. Hey. Okay. So we all know that the squirrel is new. Okay, let's try the squirrel. Squirrel. I know squirrels are really fast. I think this version of squirrel is a bit slower. But look at the tail, it's wavy. Okay, let's play a challenge game. Become a famous... I don't know what to play. Oh, let's play Last Words. You're... Oh, it's a Karen. Okay. Let's just adjust. Just adjust. Holy moly. Holy moly, 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 moly. Can you... Oh, we can just type random. And I cannot see my words. 7. Oh, you cannot type random. Okay, let's leave because you cannot type random. I want to see what happens. Play this if you're bored. I am bored. What is... What? Oh, wait. What is this? Bruh, why am I walking on my own? Hey. Hello, I'm Miranda. What? Bro, what? Bro, what? Why am I walking on my own? Why am I walking on... Hey, why am I walking on my own? Hey, why am I walking on my own? I'm gonna reset my character. Finally. Hello, private. Rules description. Bro, how do I get any? How do I get? Is this for fast? Oh, this is for fast. On course only one. Hey, let's dance. I do not care. Anyway, I thought it was the end. Blah, blah. Oh, you can customize your character. Okay, let's be concussionist. Which do I like here? I'm gonna choose this one. This one. Yeah, I have new... Oh wait, you can decorate. Okay, let's see if I get interested. Syempre, headphones with glasses. Am I supposed to touch it? And then headphones. Yo, cool. This. Oh wait, wrong headphone. That's cool. Let's see other options. Oh, here. Let's go with the tiger. Of course. These are weird. What are these? Okay. What's this? Oh, glasses again. Okay, that's all. Now let's go to faces. I wonder what will look good on me. This one. Is this it? Now let's change. Let's make it more happy. Oh wait, what is this? I thought this is no Roblox. Okay. Bro, what is this? What is this? I don't like this. What is this? What is this? This one? No, not that one. This one. Excuse me. Did I touch it? Did I touch it? Okay, that's good. This is kinda boring. Oh wait, what's this? Oh, I can paint myself. No thanks. Oh wait, this is beginning to be fun. Okay, what is this? What's this? What's this? Oh, of course green. Wait, is it every time I step it gets colored? Oh, every time I press it gets colored. No thanks, I'm not in the... Oh, we have to color. Color, okay. Let's write this. What is this? You really have to go to computer. I mean, I have Roblox on my computer, but it doesn't have X recorder. Oh, you can. Oh, here are the weapons. I want rock stars. Did I press it or do I just? Bro, I don't want this. Oh, music to my ears. Everything's music to my ears. Everything's music to my ears. Hey, bro! Bro, that's not fair. Now I go to my old self again. Bro, I'ma avenge me. This is not a guitar. You know what a guitar is? A guitar is... Yeah, let's leave. Oh my gosh, I'm so bored. I'm so bored. As a child? I'm so bored. Why are you so bored? Why? No, thank you. No backrooms escape. Need more poop. No, I'm kind of bored these days. But later, when I do video, there is gonna be some fun games. Oh, let's try to escape North Korea. Hopefully this doesn't bring me to the actual North Korea. I'm gonna sleep. Oh, let's go! Mommy, Papi. I'm gonna be so... I see you. Oh. Oh my gosh, this takes so long. Okay. This is so laggy. Why is it laggy? This is so laggy. What is wrong? Bro, what is wrong? I think. Bro, what is wrong? Why am I so laggy? I'm so laggy. Why am I? Bro, I'm so laggy. ML na nga lang ako. Ayun. Di ka pala magkalalag, ha? Are we supposed to? Okay. I'm gonna hide from the soldiers. Just don't mind. That's just rot. That's not my hair. That's rot. That's not a bacon's hair. It's just rot. Okay? Don't expect that. Huwag lang mag-ML na lang ako. Wala kasi magawa sa Mobile Legends. Ay, Roblox pala. Sabay ba ka na naman? Skin. Hindi ko alam tawag doon. Basta, hindi ko makasya. Alam ko lang si Hanabi na lang si Karina. Yung yung kung paano siya lumakad parehong pala kay Hanabi. Pamaypay niya, Pwede sa gabana niya. Diba? Bakit kay Karina pa? Mukha naman sila si Hanabi. Gawin na naman si Hanabi. Pero okay lang yun. Basta may skin. Narinig ko ang malakas ni Marsha. Yung i-try ko ang hina. Who am I gonna pick? Libre. Sabi ko, mamamiya ako. Bakit siya napunta si Mia? Support na lang ako. Gusto ko mag-summon. Gusto ko ay silad-silot.
Thorns remain. Petals fall.
Malakas silad-silot. Try natin silad-silot. Diba? Ari. Lakas nilman sila kung may kalaban or kakampan namin. Ayan na nga, ang team ng try. Ano nangyari sa Blaze? Ano nangyari sa bracelet ko, Go, GG ako. Ko? Ay, may Dairot. May mga agaw naman. Tingnan natin kung sino ang MVP na yun for today's video. Alice. Nag-alis na lang ako sana, Hindi ba nag-alis? Alice means Alice. Diba?
Welcome to Mobile Legends. 5 seconds.
Minsan
The
ako
enemy reaches the battlefield.
jungle pala.
Smash them. All troops deployed.
I don't know what this world has been up to. Ay, may Nolan ba? May Nolan pala. Wag mo gawin yung blue buff. Ito muna. Ganito ang pag-jungle. Believe in me. Nantong pag-jungle. Nag-practice ako sa ML. Hindi dyan. Dito, Sana hindi na lang ako ng jungle. Ay, wait lang pa ko ng buhay. legit siyang kalaban. Feeling ko may Nolan versus Nolan dito.
To be a hero,
First blood.
Eddie, wow.
love of the far.
That was amazing. Ally has been slain.
Eddie na wow.
Enemy double kill.
Eddie na wow part 2.
An enemy
May kinuha na yung ano ko. Level 2 pa lang ako, may. Okay lang yun, kas. Wait lang, kunin muna yung mga kalaban. May wag na muna, di pa tayo lumakas. Malakas pala. May wag kayo dyan sa die route namin. Iaagaw ko na lang buff ng kalaban. Diba? Ay, may buff ba sila? Kinuha na ata ni Nolan at ni Franco. And ni Alucard.
Many wheels.
Dami nilang jungle.
But I-
Hindi, assassin si Alucard, diba? Si Franco lang at si ano. Si ano. Ay, si basta di ko alam kung ano si Tarzilla.
slain the turret.
Fighter ba or assassin?
Become
Ayoko mapatay.
sword.
Ah! Get away from me. Oh my gosh. Get away from me.
An enemy has been slain.
Titigate muna ako.
I won't let my blood be spilled on those barbarians.
Ayun, anong ginagawa ng boys ni Lancelot?
An enemy has been slain.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Double kill.
Eddie, wow. Ay, tulungan ko si Diggy. Support yarn. Mag-room na lang ako.
Initiate
Diba?
retreat. Okay.
Mag-room na lang ako kahit di ko yung trabaho. Trabaho kong mag-room pero hindi ako acquired. Okay. Kung executed, edi executed.
This.
Magakuha na lang ako ng crab dito kasi inano ni Dairot yung ano ko. Ay, Nolan pala. Yung ano ko, yung ano ka. Yung bublof. Ay, huwag tayo dyan. Huwag tayo kay Alice. Kukunin niya dugo natin. Kukunin. Huwag mo kunin dugo namin, ha?
Justice, sir.
Slain an enemy.
Okay, hindi mo na kukunin dugo namin. Huwag muna tayo mag-TP. Baka lumakas sila mo. Ano muna na sila mag-TP na ako.
Beautiful Odette.
Ano? Ayun, di umabot. Hahaha. Oh my gosh, dito! The whole, tiga-apat sila, Mi. Tiga-apat sila!
Slain an enemy.
TP muna.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Sige.
Rampage.
Mag-mage na lang ako. Kahit di trabaho mage. Di ko alam kung papayag si Monton.
In me, the tiger sniffs the rose.
The enemy
Alam na si ano. Alam ni Layo! Layo!
They seem
Huwag kayo dyan! Layo! Hey! Oh my gosh, puro kalaban dito! Puro kalaban dito! May anong ginagawa niyo dyan sa ibabaw? Isang person lang naman yun. Hindi kaya naman ni Mia. Bakit kasi dyan ka? Diba ang trabaho mo ay
justice, sir.
alam mi, nag-ulti ako
double
mi.
kill.
Di ko napansin. Wala na akong ulti. Anong gagawin ko na walang ulti? Mag-decision kayo. Kayo naman gusto mag-decision. Anong gusto kong gawin pag walang ulti? Eh di mamatay, syempre. Joke lang. Ay, dito kayo sa taas! Dito kayo sa taas!
Okay.
Dito kayo sa taas! Hindi ko na-press yung... Ano ba? Mali!
Request backup.
Back up talagang back up.
Become one with the sword.
Bro, wag na kayo Mi, dito!
Backup.
Mi, wag ka na mag-ambush. Atake agad. Kasi ganun ang atake namin.
Justice served.
Justice served in the first senders. The senders is the senders, and the senders never ever enders.
An enemy has been slain.
Mi, sa taas kayo!
Enemy double.
Sa taas kayo! Mi, bakit kayo nasa... Ay, sa baba pala kayo, Mi. Ay, sa to. Sa baba, sa taas. Di ko na alam kung anong gagawin. Dapat nga pala walang explosion eh.
Okay.
Parang sila...
Enemy has slain the turtle.
Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah.
Shut down.
Di shut down. Wag niyo kulanin yung turtle. Ay, kinuha na yung live. Ay, wag niyo kulanin yung turtle namin! Yung turtle! Yung ano ko! Attribute! Yung attribute!
Has been slain.
Yung prangko! Yung prangko! Yung prangko, Mi! Doon kayo sa taas! Ay, sa baba. Sa baba! Doon kayo sa baba! Malamang hindi kakayali yun eh. Di, doon nga kayo sa baba. Bakit kayo sa taas? You know what? Pagod na ako. Naka 20 ta. Naka 13 tayo. Yung blue po. Ay, kinuha. Yung blue buff me. Yung blue buff me. Yung blue buff.
Taste this.
Ang tagal ng blue buff. Hindi ko na maisip ko anong gagawin sa blue buff. Ayun na nga. Ayun. Ay. Ito is from me. Ayun na nga. Ayun.
Okay.
Meron tayo sa
Our
taas.
turret has been destroyed.
Meron tayo sa taas. Meron tayo sa
Has been
taas.
slain.
Anong ginagawa niyo dyan sa baba?
Has been slain.
May anong ginagawa niyo sa baba?
Ally has been slain.
May anong ginagawa niyo?
Our turret is under attack.
Grabe si Grabe si... Huwag kayo mangano. Ayan ang trouble kung saan. Go, GG. Nanguna ako. Race. The race.
Slain more.
Race. Wag lang pala. Dito na lang ako. Gusto ko pala. Wag na lang pala. Dito na lang ako. Gusto ko pala. Huwag kayong lumayo. Ayoko na pala. Huwag na kayong lumapit. Mobility. Yung mobility ko. Mi, tulong. May ganito na lang ba tayo lagi?
An enemy has been
Eh di magaling. Mi, sa taas! Huwag niyo i-focus si Alice. Sa taas! Si Alice Tigarget. No! Dun sa mid! Mid! Mi sa mid.
Many wield
Mi, anong ginagawa niyo dun sa mid? Eh di wow. Ay, load namin yan. Hindi. Ay, load ng iba yan. Ano sila yan? Ayaw ko na. Victory.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Wait lang, guys. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. My friend, why bakit? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Hindi ko na alam kung ano nangyari, pero okay. Ano yun? Nakakalito. Hindi ko yan kinukontrol. Hindi ako ano.
perfect soul.
Oh, yay, may passive. May passive!
Petals fell.
May passive. Nabaran na ba ako? Nabaran ko.
An enemy has been slain. Rampage.
Oh no, talo. Talo kasi, talo. May tumawag kasi sa akin, kaya gano'n. Ay si Nolan. Aha. Mag-brawl ako. Mas madami pang experience ito. And 3, 2, 1, let's go. Go. Let's go. Hurry! Ayos na to. Ay, Fortnite. Kala ko sumo wrestler. Ito bet ko gagamitin niya si Muscov pag napipili. Oh, Rafaela Icyclops. Okay. Ay, pwede ako kumuha ng may support. Ang kaso lang, wala akong maisip. Alis na lang may kiss. Burst. Uy, love
My
skill.
kiss grants you
Immortality.
immortality or death.
Ang pinaka-importante sa brawl ay flame shot. You know what skin I like? Ito yung gusto ko.
My kiss
Grants you immortality or death. So what if your kiss grants me immortality or death? Huh? Oh, I want this version of Cyclops. Skin pala, Cyclops. My kiss grants you immortality or death. Ay, may Rafaela sila, Mi. Ang lakas ng atake. Hello. Wait. Your kiss.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Death. Mobility.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battle.
New future.
Smash them.
Okay, long hand agad. Okay. Oh my gosh, wala ako. Sorry, wala akong ano.
You have slain
Okay. Ay, kala ko kalaban.
Like that hideous.
You're fabulous. Oh my gosh! Oh, lion. Go, let's go. Ano yung pagkakaiba ng malaya at laya?
Killing spree.
Okay, killing spree. Killing spree na hindi naman killing spree. Ang dami ginagawa. Shut down.
An enemy has been slain.
Ang lakas ng kill natin.
Double kill.
Mega kill.
Triple kill.
Okay.
Down.
Mega kill. Let's G!
Keep it authentic.
Ally has been enemy double kill.
Let's go! Let's GG!
Has been slain.
Okay. Okay. Padurok, dok. Duk, duk. Duk, duk.
Double kill.
Parodok. Duk, duk. I already have life steal.
Your heart
Killing spree.
Oh my gosh, yun na pala. Padurok, duk. Duk, duk, duk.
blood empowers me.
Yan na yun.
You have slain an enemy.
That takes so much mana.
Double kill.
I can just heal forever. Akin na buhay mo.
Slain.
Are you lost, little one? Your blood empowers me.
Unstoppable.
And the best part is that the hurt percentage increases. And that's the best part of Alice's ultimate.
Only a dead body does not.
Ally has been slain.
Only a deep. Ay, 100. Sender, Semberland, Sender, Semberland, Loyos. Sender, Senderland. Mag-ano muna ako, mag-heal. Mag-heal muna ako dito, mag-heal. Mag-heal muna ako. Kahit wala akong paghihilan. Mag-heal muna ako, huwag niyo i-disrupt yung heal ko. Huwag niyo i-disrupt nga yung healing ko! Gigi, pairam ng heal. Wag, ay, naghihingi na nga eh. Automatic na nga. Tapos, ano. Ay, di na kami niya. Okay, let's change our item. Healing and attack speed reduction. Ano daw?
You should return my favor with blood.
Oh, okay. Mukhang easy naman itong round na to. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I don't know what you're saying, but I can read what you're saying. My life has been a series of doors in my face. And I've been searching my whole life to find a new place. And it's you, it's you. Before there's an open door. There's an open door. With you, with you, with you. With you, with you, with you, with you. With you, with you, with you, with you. Go, yung torrent. Yung torrente, yung torrent.
Killing spree. Destroy the turret.
Okay, my team destroyed the current and then
Your blood empowers me.
my blood empowers me. Ay, pa-life steal. Pahingin ng heal. Mag-heal muna ako dito. Ayaw mo magpa-heal, ha? Ayaw magpa-heal, eh. Ikaw din naman, ayaw magpa-heal.
Even your blood can't wait to escape.
Ayaw niyo magpa-heal, ha? Hello. Hi. Hi natin siya. Your blood empowers me. Ayaw mo magpa-heal, ha? Bibigyan kita ng heal. G. Yung ano, Mi. Yung ano. Yung hotdog. Kalma yan. Killing spree. Kahit di ko naman kung ano ibig sabihin ng killing spree. Heal muna ako, Mi. Heal. Alam mo naman, si Alice pag taga-heal. Ang sarili. Ng sariling buhay. Ganun. Yan may ano. Ayun, naka-heal ng automatic. GG tayo sa base. GG tayo sa base. Siyempre, GG tayo sa base. GG tayo sa base. GG tayo sa base. GG sa base. GG. Kill ko muna yung life ng base. Ay. Victory. Nakano ko. Okay, that's the end of our vlog. Bye-bye.